going on, everyone? This is Mr. Mathur with another tutorial talk. What's up, everyone? Once again, it's another tutorial talk, and today we're going to talk about the three basic types of sentences, which are simple, compound, and complex. We're going to talk about the structure and how to build each sentence. So let's begin with simple. Simple, all it is a subject, a verb, and then a complete thought. So to talk about the structure of it, all right, we have to have a subject plus a verb plus complete thought. So once we have that, we basically have a simple sentence. So subject, verb, complete thought. Subject, verb, complete thought. Remember that. Compound sentences. Compound sentences, we basically have two independent clauses, which is brought together or put together by a coordinating conjunction or a fanboy. So our fanboys, let's get rid of those real quick. Fan boys, which is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So independent clause is basically just a simple sentence. So a subject, a verb, and a complete thought. So the structure of it is we'll have independent clause plus comma plus coordinating conjunction or fanboy plus independent clause. So that's our structure of it. Independent clause plus comma plus fanboy or coordinating conjunction plus independent clause. Next thing that we're going to have is a complex sentence. Now there's two different ways that you could do a complex sentence. The main difference between the two is where the dependent clause goes. So if the dependent clause goes in the beginning, then there is a comma, and then your independent clause at the end. So it's like this. We have a subordinating conjunction, which this is a long list, so you can't basically memorize all these. What you need to do is see if the subordinating conjunction makes the independent clause an incomplete thought, an incomplete sentence, which that's the key. So subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause plus comma plus independent clause. And so what we're going to do is just flip these around. And when we flip them around, we don't need a comma anymore. So we're going to have an independent clause plus subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause. Now, if you can get the structure of these three sentences right here, then once again, the revising and editing portion of the STAR test, or any test, or any revising, editing as far as your essays are concerned, short answer questions, any of that, then you're golden. So I hope this helps. Once again, let me see if I can get you a close-up of it, of the structure. Simple, subject, verb, complete thought. Compound, independent clause, plus comma, plus fanboy, plus independent clause. Complex sentence. Subordinating conjunction, plus dependent clause, plus comma, plus independent clause. Or the opposite is an independent clause, plus subordinating conjunction, plus dependent clause.